So a customer just dropped off their device. They said the PlayStation doesn't display on the screen. I was taking it apart. There's a sticker. Hours, no display. The hard drive has a big X on it. I'm like, let me take it apart even further. And I'll be damned. Look at that. There's rip pins on the HDMI chip section. This is unbelievable. Let's repair it. Let's take a closer look under the microscope. There it is under the microscope, and I'll be damned. Look at that trace rip right there. We're gonna have to fix that after we put a brand new chip on it. Let's do it. The chip is installed here, and now we have to install this one trace for that one pin. Alright, we ran that mini trace right here. Let's put it together and test. Not only that they ripped the trace, but look at this. Come on, man. Clean it before you send it with a broken trace. Drive is obviously bad, so let's test without a drive. Alright. We do say that the signal tester says okay. And look at that. This one is also fondled with it. Turns off right away. The APU has a problem. It also needs to go under the machine. I know that because I did the pressure test right now, and now it's on. Crazy. This has everything wrong. We're back here with this motherboard that we fixed a trace on, then realized it has an APU problem, and the image still didn't display. The multimeter, we found a few filters that are burnt, so let's replace them. Here's one of the bad filters we removed. And looking better now, let's go test. So it's still blue lighting here, so let's put it onto the machine first before we do any video tests. We wouldn't be able to fix the video issue without fixing the APU issue first, so let's do that. Right here we have it under the machine. Right, so we started. First phase. Alright, so we're at the final stage now, cooling. Alright, so we're testing it now again, and here we go, the white light. The tester does say good. And wow, look at that, we got it, we have something on the screen. Now all this is missing is a new hard drive and a reflashing. Alright, put a new drive here, and it's ready to be flashed. And here it is. It's done. If you like this video, hit that like button.